Hello, today we're going to see how to install Textpad. Textpad is a text editing software. This is a freeware. So just to install Textpad, first thing is you need to go to textpad.com and then click on downloads, and based on your language and operating system you can pick one of those files. So I picked English. I have a Windows 10 64-bit, so I picked 64-bit version. So the file should automatically start downloading. Once the file is fully downloaded, double click on it. Once you double click the file, you should see setup.exe, which is downloaded to your download folder. And once you double click on the setup.exe, it should start doing the installation wizard. It's going to take some time. Click next now. So this is the agreement, license agreement, and click next. And these are the defaults. If you want to change any values, you can change it here, but I picked a default value, so click next. So by default it picks program files and Textpad folder. If you want to change that destination, you can change it here. You can pick what the place you want, but I picked default value here. Click next, and there's a confirmation. Click next, install. So this should actually install the software. Once installation is completed, it's going to come up with the launch Textpad prompt, and you can select that and click finish. So your Textpad installation is completed, and you see that Textpad is automatically open. And let's try some sample editing here. So I'm just typing sample Textpad, and now I'm going to save the file. So I'm saving the file onto desktop for easy access. Sample. The file is saved. Let's go and open that file. So I'm double clicking sample.exe, sample.txt, and you see the file is open in Notepad because the text by default the text files are associated with Notepad. So now what you can do is right click, open with Textpad. Boom. Your file is open in Textpad. Now you can start doing your editing here.